Click on the link below to get price. The EUY Electric Bike for adults is a standout option for anyone seeking a powerful and versatile e-bike experience. With a robust 1500W motor that delivers peak performance, this bike can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for both commuting and recreational rides. The impressive acceleration is not just about speed, the bike also offers a smooth and responsive ride, allowing the rider to navigate various terrains with ease. One of the most noteworthy features of the EUY e-bike is its 48V 20AH removable battery. This powerful battery provides an impressive range, allowing users to travel up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and mode selection. The ability to remove the battery for charging adds convenience, especially for those who may not have easy access to charging stations. The bike's design balances functionality and comfort. With an adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars, riders can customize their position for long rides. The bike's sturdy frame instills confidence at high speeds and during sharp turns. The front suspension system effectively absorbs shocks, ensuring a comfortable ride on bumpy paths. Braking performance is critical in any bike, and the EUY does not disappoint. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, the stopping power is impressive, providing safety even at high speeds. Moreover, the bike features bright LED lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides. The digital display is another excellent feature, offering real-time information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. This information is essential for managing your ride effectively. In terms of assembly, the EUY Electric Bike comes mostly pre-assembled, making it straightforward for users to get on the road quickly. Overall, the EUY Electric Bike combines power, comfort, and safety in an attractive package, making it a formidable choice for both novice and seasoned riders looking for an exhilarating e-bike experience.